Alright guys, so we're trying something new today. We bought a car, didn't we, mate?
We did.
Yeah, a little Honda CRV. So we went to it to diagnose it, and it wasn't running. And we ended up driving away with it. Well, he was meant to drive away with it, but I ended up driving away with it. So we decided we're going to start a little project. So we're going to see, we paid 400 quid for this car. And yeah, take the sensor. Show them the sensor, mate. God,
Where's the sensor?
do you know what I mean? So yeah, so we basically, turns out to be this DPF pressure sensor. Anyway, so this DPF pressure sensor, it was supposed to be 500 quid from Honda, weren't it? Something like that. So we managed to find one at a local supplier. Shout out to Auto Pit Stop, legends. 100 quid. So hopefully that should cure it. So stick along for the journey. Obviously, you see that car in the background that I've just put up? Yeah, that's the car we got. And it's got a ton of paperwork. He's going to fit it possibly over this weekend. He's not. You're not really, are you?
No.
He's lying. So it's going to come to Monday morning. We're going to fit the sensor. Hopefully the car's up and running. Give it a DPF regen, and then we're going to see how much we make on it. Because we're basically 500 quid into this car. Well, 530 because I had to insure it to drive it back. And then hopefully we'll make a profit, and you might like it. Anyway, see you soon. So here we have it. Look, there's the CRV. This is the second episode of the saga for this. Can we make a profit? Probably not. Probably not, because you know that's how it goes. But old Harry here, this guy right here. He is obviously just swapping out the pressure sensor. Once that's done, we are going to have to run it down the road, give it a check over, because obviously he's unplugged the pressure sensor now. Obviously engine lights come on. This wasn't running, obviously, when we went to this vehicle, and the customer was just, he had enough of it, and he's like, no, just take it, 400 quid, take it. So we're going to throw the new pressure sensor on, then we're going to take it, obviously insure it, tax it, all that good stuff, and we're going to run it down the road and see what happens. And all being well, it will kind of clear itself up. If not, I have a sneaking suspicion this may need a proper DPF clean, either remove it, take it somewhere, flush it out, all that good stuff. But we'll see what happens. So stay tuned, people, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. So as you can see, it's now gone into regen mode. I don't need to run it down the road, managed to mess around with it a little bit, got some cleaner in there, all that good stuff. And now it's in regen mode. All being well, after that, that should be the car back to running sweet. As, let me show you this. Obviously, we're trying to make a profit on this. We bought this car. Look at the stack of paperwork that's here for it. Massive stack. Obviously, we've got the logbook, all that good stuff. So we'll see what happens, and fingers crossed we make some money. See you soon, people. Yikes. There's smoke coming out of that bad boy. You might be able to see it on the camera, but I was just bellowing a second ago. Yikes. No good. But we're getting there. We're getting there, people. So that's it. We're on the cool down now. It's coming down, the temperature. DPF just regenerated, so all being well, fingers crossed, that's that sorted. We can then get this washed up, give it a clean, make it look nice and spiffy, and then see how much money we make. Might not be a lot, might only be a couple hundred quid, who knows, I don't know. But you know what, wasn't a lot of effort, took a week to get that sensor in, but other than that, that's the only bit of waiting. So stay tuned, don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So peace. Obviously letting it cool down now a bit, it's come back down. Obviously, we've got no more DPF light that we had earlier. Check DPF system. We're going to trouble codes. Check the trouble codes. No codes detected. So I think we're on to a winner there. Pressure sensor, regen, happy days. Car is, you know what, it's actually sounding a lot happier too. So let's get this, let's move on. Let's get this washed. And all being well, we can put it up for sale and hope for the best. So anyway, back in a minute. Come on, we're going in the CRV. We're going to go get this washed now. So come see, let's go find a car wash and let's get this all cleaned up and make it look nice and spiffy, and then we're going to put it straight up for sale today. Isn't that right, mate?
It is indeed.
Get it all put up for sale and then hopefully down the road and we're all good. Look, go for a nice cruise around this nice estate. Look at that. It does drive quite well, to be honest with you. Hopefully we'll make a few bob on it. Don't even matter if we make 100 quid, it don't matter. It's been a bit of an experiment, who cares? As long as we make something off of it, everyone's a winner, eh? Anyway, right, we'll be back when we're at the car wash. Peace out, people. Oh, it's getting clean now. Getting all sprayed down. Gonna look nice and spiffy. Starts well, runs well, drives well. I think this is gonna be an easy sale, don't you reckon, mate? Nice easy sale. So, hopefully we'll make a few bob on this. I don't know how much, but we'll see. Anyway, enjoy the show a bit. It's always nice to see a car get cleaned, isn't it? It was looking a bit scruffy. Anyway, all the car washes, as you know, sunny as anything. Loads of cars here, so it's taking ages. So anyway, stay tuned for the next episode. Much love, peace. All nice and soapy. Looking good, man. It's already looking like a brand new car, isn't it, people? Look at that. Bit of suds. That's all it takes. couldn't be asked to do it ourselves because, you know, who's got time for that? We just pay someone 20 quid, looks brand new. So, there we go, people. She's all washed. Go on then, Harry, give them a show around the car. Look at it, nice and spiffy. Looks like new, doesn't it? A couple of little marks here, but that's all good. It looks brand spankers, boys. Boys and girls, we've got a brand new car on our hands. The cheapest CRV in the UK at the minute. And there you know what? Probably maybe we should just raffle it off. Raffle it off for like 50p. But we ain't got enough people to do that. So we're going to put it up for sale. We're going to get back, take some nice pictures of it, put it up for sale, see what happens. Hopefully it's all good. Because as at minute, it drives well, runs well. Well, drives good, runs good, no knocks, bangs, clangs, any of that good stuff. So anyway, stay tuned. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one. Off it. So here we go. Right, now that we've got it back a bit, I can show you. Look how clean it's come up. There's a couple of little surface marks on it here and there, but it's nothing major. But as you see, look at that. Looks nice and fresh now, doesn't it, people? Look at that. Look at that. Even inside, they did a really nice job of this, you know, as well. Look, looks quite nice and clean all over. Looking good. Looking good. That's what we like to see, people. Look at that, even in there. Everything's just nice, tidy, looking good. Obviously, no engine lights, nothing on. That's what else we like to see. Look at that. No good. There we have it. So we're going to put this up for sale now. What do you reckon? What do you reckon, Harry? About 2 grand mark? Yeah, we're going to put it up for 2 grand. See what happens. Anything less than that don't really matter as long as we get over like 600 quid. Because I think what's the total at the minute? We paid 400 quid for the car.
About £600.
100 quid for the sensor. Yeah, about 600ish. So, and then it was 2 lots of 30 quid for insurance. And then we had. And then we had. What else did we have? Trying to think of the totals now for the last few bits. And then obviously, yeah, 22 quid for the wash. So we're into this car now. 560, 582 so far. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned, people. So it's just a waiting game now, waiting for this car to sell. But what we did do, we don't sell cars very often, but we made the engine look a little bit nicer as well. See, it's got a newish battery on it as well. I'll show you something else I didn't show you earlier as well. So you see this as well, look, like brand new discs in there. Look at that. So the car, on the whole, pretty much ready to go now. Not sure how long this is going to take to sell, but interesting experiment. It's not what we normally do, we just normally fix them, but obviously this was just too good to pass up. I was going to actually keep this car because my car's actually playing up, but if it don't sell, then I got a decent car to run around in, so winner, and it's 4-wheel drive, could take it off road. But anyway, stay tuned, people. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, see how we get on, because I'm hoping this sells within a few days because it's looking fresh and it's looking great. See you soon, people. Peace. So I'm back in the CRV. I've also forgot to show you, look, got a full service history, massive stack of paperwork. Obviously we put a new pressure sensor on it, gave it a regen, it's all good. It not long had a service a couple of 1,000 miles ago, so honestly, the car's ready to rock and roll. It feels great, drives great, now it even looks great. So anyway, I don't know what part we're on here, probably on like 10 or 11 at this point. But fingers crossed, the next video will be someone coming to view it and driving away with it into the sunset on this lovely sunny day. Much love. Don't forget, the subscribe button. Just down here, people. We need you. Peace. It's gone. Finally. It only took us 2 bloody weeks to do, but finally, we got rid of the CRV. So, if you wanted to know, so what it cost us to begin with was 400 quid to buy the car initially, cost us £100 for the sensor, 2 lots of insurance, so that was 60 quid, a wash, which was £22, and then it was about a miscellaneous, what was it, I paid £20, so £20 for advertising, another £25 in another place for advertising, so in total, we were into it about 605-ish quid, something like that. I may be wrong, but my quick maths may not be the best, but would I do it again? Probably not. Because to be honest with you, the amount of effort, we've had this car 2 weeks now and it's only got like 1 or 2 bites. We listed it for £1,600 and all we got offered was £1,000. So we made all right on it. We made like almost £400 on it, so not the end of the world. But bigger cars, I would like to do a smaller car next, I think, if we do get the opportunity to, but on a bigger car like that, no. It's just that geezer has got an absolutely smashing deal, and we'll probably see it up on Marketplace here again in a week or 2, or you'll see it on Auto Trader like we had, probably double the price of what we just made. But either way, that's the conclusion of the Honda CRV series. Was it worth it? Yeah, I'd say so. Still made 400 quid for very little effort, really. It's been sitting in a parking space for 2 weeks. Took us about half an hour to an hour to fix it. It was worth doing, but I wouldn't do it again. But anyway, if you like, yeah, a lot better than scrapping it. Yes, like Harry says, a lot better than bloody scrapping it, because you know what? You'd have made 150 quid on it. Not worth it. But anyway, if you did like that series and you're interested in stuff like this again, maybe we'll try it again, but maybe with a different car. I think it's more down to the sheer size of that car, and it puts people off because we had 2 people message us on this. That was it. The entire 2 weeks, 2 people, that was it. And so yeah, I wouldn't do a bigger car again. But anyway, if you like that one, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, follow, comment, share, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out, much love.